V1 base form lose. V2 past form lost. V3 past participle lost. V4 present par, losing. V5 SESIES loses. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb lose? Answer. The base form of the verb lose is lose. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb lose? Answer. The past form of the verb lose is lost. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb lose? Answer. The past participle of the verb lose is lost. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb lose? Answer. The present participle of the verb lose is losing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb lose? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb lose is loses. Verb forms. Example sentences. V1 She tends to lose her keys often. V2 Yesterday, he lost his way in the forest. V3 I have never lost a game of chess to him. V4 Losing weight requires a combination of exercise and a balanced diet. V5 He always loses when he plays against her in tennis. Subscribe my channel.